Hey guys, it's Ghost here, and I want to say I am sorry. In this video, you're going to see a lot of headliner, a lot of this, because I thought I had it down properly. I guess I didn't. That's my fault. Like, that's totally my bad. Also, if you guys will probably see on the YouTube shorts of me accidentally putting this truck in the ditch. Took my sister and her boyfriend out off-roading. I couldn't see past their head. So this truck ended up falling down into a ditch. I tried to get myself out, didn't get out. But luckily, I had an amazing friend, and his dad came out and pulled me out with his Toyota Tundra with the 5.7. So luckily, my truck is perfectly fine. I have no issues. I have a small dent on the front bumper and a dent on the back bumper, but everything else is fine. Tie rods and all that. But enough of me mumbling, yapping on. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so this should be good. I don't know. So, don't worry about that. RPM gauge don't work properly. So, it's raining in my nice little state in Arizona. So, I thought I would take the good old third gen out, Grim, and take her out off-roading. Which I won't do nothing too crazy, just because of the fact of I don't know how my tie rods are going, like, flexing on 35s. Because flexing on 35s, this... And on stock tie rods, you guys know how IFS is. If you don't, then IFS and off-roading don't go too well. Crawling doesn't go too well. Fast-paced stuff, it's alright. But these 35s are, I didn't realize how big and heavy they were. Like, they upset my LSD a lot. Like my limited slip diff. I've jumped my truck over here once. I ain't going to do that again just because I don't want to break something. I like how I haven't done an intro. I don't think I did anyways. I don't know. God forbid a man has a dementia in his 20s. It's a lot, like, softer sand. Ugh. Hey, my headliner. What the fuck? I clicking something on my headliner. Okay, I did jump it. Hopefully I didn't crack my windshield with this thing. Because I already have one windshield. And if you guys are hearing a squeaky noise in the background, it's due to my sway bar bushings. They are new and I didn't grease them. Mainly because I don't care about it. Like, I ain't gonna run, like, I don't really care to run sway bars on this truck. Like, I do for now, just because of the fact of, woo! I don't know if y'all saw that flag. Hey, wow, over here throwing shit up. It is a little rough out here today. And I'm going to put that right there. God damn, I could drive sometimes. I can't see anything. Engine got a little hot. Oh. Damn. Get a lot of dirt in my mouth. See how truck's looking. Just because like I do worry about this truck a lot. Like it's an old truck. A lot of people was like, oh, don't be a bitch, you're already sending it. I don't care. I'll send it. All that, and I still worry about the truck. People shooting. Oh man, those are some good donuts. I started off right here, and then this is where I straightened out a little bit, and I tied it in a little closer. Boom. Or that's probably where I started, and then I got out. No, I went from being super far out to going in. God damn, she looks so good. God. This is like my third time doing donuts on the 35s. The other times, God, I know y'all saw my rust. I don't care. God, those catalytic converters are going bad, and they're going bad real fast. Ah, you guys got stuck on here. Donuts taken care of. I just want to do some donuts just because it's fun. See if we could find a section where I could do a little bit of pre-running. And there's not a whole lot of pre-running spots with my suspension travel. Currently have like there's one like all the way out there for me, but the last time I went there it was flooded and it was no good. Oh, we're going way too fast for this type of stuff. I'm going lower. Oh wait, this is my seat max loadout. I was like, I'm gonna lower my seat where you guys can maybe see a little bit better. I'm sorry if this video like doesn't look the greatest, just because like I don't have a chest mount. I want a chest mount, but I also like to have an actual like DJI action camera, not a GoPro, because GoPros are cool, but the DJI cameras kind of does it better. So at least that's from reviews and stuff. I ain't trying to go too crazy because it's been a while since I've been on this road. And it's a little rough. I hate rough country shocks. Don't ever buy the rough country. I don't care if y'all just try and get a quick stance or what. Rough country kind of sucks. Oh. So I could go this way, but I don't know if I'll make it. I don't want to get stuck because all this is like super powdery shit. And when it's wet, I don't know how that's going to go for me. And I'd rather not find out. If I had another truck out here with me, I would have been like, okay, we'll do it. But I don't even, like, these tires are phenomenal, but I don't have anything to air them. Like, I can air them down, but I don't have anything to air them up, and I don't want to be aired down to 20 psi for a grip, which I know I don't have to go down that low, but I would, just for the where I can have as much grip as I possibly can. Because granted, this is a very, very light truck. It is only 4,100 pounds. Like 35 is probably added to the weight, and the wheels are a tad bit lighter, but than what factory was. So I don't know. Ooh. I swear to God, my back and I are not the same age. I'm in my 20s and my back is in my 60s. I don't take care of myself like I should. But also I spend most of my days bent over an engine or being up from copper mine. The issue is I know this trail too well. One of my favorite sections is over there, so we'll go this way and see if I can get to where I want to be at, but I doubt it. That's not actually. People are going to be like, oh, he bought a truck to go off-roading, but it's too much of a pussy. Shut up. Like, I'm a poor boy off-roading a truck that does not have a whole lot of aftermarket support for. Like, the 3rd gen 1500s really did not get a whole lot of loving. That's for damn sure. And the thing is, when you play, you pay. You always do. Maybe not in that day, but eventually you will. If you guys hear water in the background, it's because I always carry water in the cab of the truck. It's always a very good thing to have is water in your truck. Or any of your vehicle, just in case. I know I hit my hitch right there. Yep, I sure did. Oh, you know what? To be honest, this would be really cool for videos and pictures right now. I don't want to get too close, but let's see how that's looking. Also, if you also saw my oil pressure spike up, this gauge is not working properly. So these two gauges are the only ones that's not working properly. And I know for a fact on that. I'm gonna be so sad if that cliff fucking dips and I lose my truck. I'm gonna cry. Fucking nasty ass people leaving bottles. I want to tell what you do when you find stuff like this. You always carry a bag with you while you're off-roading where you can throw shit away. Okay, so I got videos, a small photo, like one photo of my truck. So now I gotta turn all the way back around because I have to pick up my sister and her boy toy, aka boyfriend. I'm just a dick, so I like to call him boy toy when he's not around. He's actually a decent kid, but let's go hop up and Graham, shut the windows. Watch, that's going to connect, and I'm going to lose some of my audio. Like, you guys keep hitting this, and that's my bad, but also a not my bad scenario. God, you can smell my catalytic converters. How dare you hit my truck? Ugh. I can't wait till this thing is on long travel suspension and all that jazz. It's going to be so much fun. And not just the fact that it's going to be so much fun, it's just the fact of, like, I get to actually use this truck for what I wanted it to be meant for. You know, like, I always wanted this to be a pre-runner. I pre-run it now as it's on rough country shocks. That was my hitch. Boy. Now I gotta remember how to get the fuck out of here. I don't remember coming this way. I don't. Oh my God. I went the wrong way. Some people are going to be yelling at me through the camera like, no fucking shit, dummy, you did go the wrong way. I'm like, yeah, I know, don't yell at me. I have to remember which way I came. Ugh. How did I get myself this lost already? Ugh. All the fucking dust I'm just throwing. There we go. I knew it was summer over here. Just didn't know where. Boy, that was rough. Keep smacking my hitch. I need to take that off. Probably take it off when I get to my sister's car. I can't see a thing. No, I can. And probably once I get to my sister, I'll probably stop recording because they don't like to be on camera and I don't blame them. And also, my sister's attitude sucks. I love my sister, but her attitude sucks. I feel bad for all the drivetrain components on this truck because these transfer cases don't like 35s. They get hot real quick. Real quick with 35s, especially when you're starting to have a little bit of fun. But it'll get upgraded when I upgrade the transmission and the engine. I'll do everything all at once. Boy, going way too fast for this type of stuff with this suspension. Ooh, that was rough. Feel bad. Prayers in the chat for my tie rod. Control arms, I know, could handle that. Tie rod. Ooh. Probably not. It's not a sawed axle truck. Let's go this way. It seems softer. I was right. Got too much in the rough end. My hand's gonna smell like black ice. And if you guys also see the airbag light, that was when I put in this radio. Wait, did I crack this? Huh. Oh no, it's just over doing it. Sorry about that. My sister started calling and I don't know if my audio got cut or not, but we'll see. Oh God, that was rough. I should have paid attention to that. Now I got you guys in my hand instead of the head mount. If you notice, you're not as high up. One thing that sucks about off-roading with that, it will start leaking that shit everywhere. Like, it's already on my radio then. The one thing is, you guys want to see my fuel economy? Look at that. It's horrendous. Put it back on the weather and which direction I'm going because that's important. Also gonna roll out my window. Probably be a good idea too. I hit my hitch again. Yeah, I'm taking that off. I should have taken off a long time ago because I haven't towed anything since I towed the 13B and the hardtop for a Miata and like a bunch of FC interiors. Interior parts, so. And granted, that wasn't all that long ago, but still, I need to get that stuff out of here. But since I'm already almost there, this is pretty much the last little stretch. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video that I wanted to make of me just doing a little bit of off-roading. Like, nothing too crazy, like, because like a lot of the trails here are made for side-by-sides and four-wheelers and dirt bikes, not really for big trucks. So like, but next time I come out off-roading, I will, you know, actually like bring y'all out with me. Hopefully I'll have a better camera set up and all that when I do my off-roading and things like that. So hope you guys enjoy. Hope y'all have a lovely day or night, and have a good rest of the day. Bye bye.